Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to build a Java project using Maven. We will see the setup of a new Java project, then manage its dependency, and then lastly we will build the application, and for that we will use Maven. So first let's see the prerequisites. You should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have Java development kit and Maven installed. So let's move on with the practical. So our first step is set up Ubuntu EC2 instance. So first, if we don't have JDK or Maven installed, then you can install them. So first, we will update the package list using sudo apt update command. So let's copy this command and paste it. Now our package list is updated. So let's install the Java. As Spring Boot requires Java, so let's install it. Now after installing it, let's verify the installation. For that, we will use the Java version command, which will return the version of Java which we have installed. As you can see, our OpenJDK is installed successfully. Now next, let's install the Maven. Let's verify it too by checking its version. As you can see, our Maven is installed successfully. Now our next step is creating a Java project using Maven. So for that, we will use this command. This command will create a new Java project. So in this command, here, the group ID is form.example, which is a unique identifier for project. Then next artifact ID. This is the name of the project. Here we have taken the hello world. Then archetype artifact ID, which is where archetype quick start. So this is the template of project and Maven archetype quick start. This will create a simple Java project. Then interactive mode, we have set it to the false. This is to skip the interactive prompts. So let's run this command. So as you can see, our project is built successfully. Sorry, our application is built successfully. Now next, let's navigate to the project directory. cd hello world. Now we are inside the hello world directory. Here, first we will modify the form.xml file. So let's open it. We will update this file with the Spring Boot dependencies. So as you know, this file is core of Maven project and it has configuration details such as dependency, build settings, and project information. So let's edit it. I'm going to add my form.xml file. Just remove it, copy it from here. So as you can see, here we have added the Spring Boot framework dependencies, and we have also added the plugin for Spring Boot. So let's save this file. Now after this, our next step is creating the Spring Boot application with Maven. So first we will navigate to the directory where we are going to create our application file. So now we are inside the directories. Next, we will create a file named hello world application.java, and inside that file we are going to write our code for application. Here the package com.example.hello world. This line specifies that the class belongs to the com.example.hello world package. This will help you to organize your code and avoid the naming conflicts. Then next, we are inputting the statements. These are the input statements. We are inputting the Spring application, then account configure Spring Boot application, and get mapping REST controller. This will map the HTTP requests. Then next, this is our main application class here, and this is the inner controller class. So after running this application, this will set up the Spring Boot application to the endpoint hello world, sorry, to the endpoint hello, and this will respond with the hello world. So we will see it next. So let's save this file. Now our next step is building and running the application. So before that, let's exit the directories till the root directory of the application. Our root directory of application is hello world. Next, let's build the application. For that, command is maven clean install. Here, clean is to delete the target directory which contains the compiled code and other build artifact, and install will compile the code. It will run the test and package the application into the jar file. So let's build the application. As you can see, we were able to build the application successfully, and it also created the jar file. Now let's run the application. For that, we will use the Maven Spring Boot run command. So let's copy it. So as you can see, our application is running successfully. So now let's see. So in the web browser, we will try to access it. Here you need to give the public IP address of your EC2 instance. Then colon port 8080. You have to make sure that in your security groups, the port is listening to the 8080. Hello. As you can see, it has written the hello world message, just as I explained in the code of hello world application earlier. So today we have seen how to build the Java project using the Maven. First, we set up the project, then we manage the dependencies in the form.xml file. Then we have built the file for the Spring Boot application. And lastly, we have built and run the application successfully. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.